I used to load trucks outside of here, but coming here, it's a whole different ballgame. My name is Christopher Gould. I'm a loader/operator here at Nick's. When I get here first thing in the morning, I just make sure I check my equipment, make sure it's good to go, fill out my logs, and then I get a game plan for the day. When these jobs are done to come outside, it's my job to put them together. You got to see the whole picture before you put things onto a truck. Been married for 20 years in December, and we got 4 boys. We like to go, do basic family stuff, go out and just have a good time. Things I like to do out of work, I do a lot of woodworking. I build rubber barrel chairs, custom pieces, tables, chairs. I actually took pallets from here and actually built a coffee table out of our pallets, and I built a bench for my front yard. Everyone's good at communicating. We're all pretty close. It's a positive environment around here.
Chris is a good worker. He tries like hell at anything he does. But when you have something that really needs to go out the next day and quitting time rolls around, he's willing to stay over. He's just one of the all-in type guys. He'll be there for you.
Chris brings positivity and motivation. He's down to help you whenever you need help. He's just a really good team player. He's just a positive guy to have around.
I like the job that I do. I feel important here. I feel like the job I do outside matters.